Alright, this is the unboxing and the building of the Takacat boat. It's a 5-passenger boat. It's portable, goes in the car, uses a real motor. Let's see what we got. Got one side all blown up. Working on the other side. That side blew up in about, it's probably about 5 minutes. There's the boat with the two sides blown up. We got to put in the floor, but that's what it looks like. Blowing up the center part of the floor to about 10 psi. There she is without a motor. All blown up. We're gonna put a motor on it today. There she is with the engine on her. Got the fishing rod holders. Put the brand new Mercury 6 on it. Just gonna fire her up for the first time. Plenty of room on the boat. Got a milk crate with all the stuff I need. Let's go have some fun. Here she is out on the water. Not too far. I haven't fired up the engine, but pretty stable. I mean, I can walk around on here and this thing doesn't feel like it's going anywhere. These wheels are reversible and collapsible, so they flip around and reattach so that you can pull this boat right up the beach.